Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! So, yun guys, day 2 ng aming travel. Nagre-ready na kami. And maya-maya, i-update ko kayo. Nga pala, meron palang pre-water dito sa hotel. So, kahapon, bus na, wala kami nakuhang water. Kaya, kaninang umaga, bumaba ako, nag-refill ako. Nakapag-refill naman ako. So, yun lang. Sinabi ko lang, bakit? Sige na, i-update ko kay mamaya. Okay. So, yun guys. Naglalakad na kami papunta sa metro station. And, bumili na lang kami ng aming pang breakfast na mga tinapay. Yun, titignan niyo yung egg tart na sabi nila na ano daw dito sa Hong Kong. Tingnan natin. Oh! Masarap. Hindi, masarap. Mainit pa. Mainit pa. Masarap. Ayun na guys. Nag-update na lang ulit kami later. Metro station. With everything. Bilisan mo para makakuha na upuan mo. Dito ka para picture na dito. So guys, pangalawang balik na namin kasi nagpaiwan kami kanina para makapag-picture. So ayan, bababa na kami ngayon. Doon na. That's right. Daming tao dito pala sa train. Pangalawang balik pa lang ito. Ako po. Sabi kasi pipicturean pala kita. Hindi ko na picturean. Ha? Let's go. Ganyan train. We're here, Ana! Dream come true! Thank you, Lord! And we're here! Nadala ko na yung anak ko dito. Thank you, Lord! Oh my God! And nandito na kami sa Disneyland! Ay, sige, grabe, parang gusto ko iyak! Ay, daydream! Do come true. Thank you, Lord. Dadala ko pa yung anak ko. Napuntahan ko to for the first time and kasama ko pa yung aking anak. Ayan o. Thank you for visiting, sabi. Welcome. Ay! Kinikilig ako. Yes. Saan? Still don't know yet. Sa labas pa lang kami actually, hindi pa kami nakakapasok sa loob. So, ayun na nga. This right. Nag-early pass kami. Ang dami rin pala naka-early pass. Uy. Ewan ko na sa inyo. Early pass, yes. So, naka-early pass kami. Maaga pala sila nagbubukas. Oy. So, 4-2, yes.
I need to early picker first.
So usually what time you are open?
9 o'clock for early passes.
Oh, okay. 9 o'clock daw for early pass.
ไม่ต้องเลิกทำมาครับแต่ไม่ต้องมาพิเศษกับผู้ที่วันที่4 And welcome to
Thank you, thank you. Welcome to Disneyland. Ah, thank you, Lord. Grabe. Go. Sa Frozen after muna tayo. Art animation. Mamaya na, doon muna tayo sa Frozen kasi yun ang ano, para makasakay kagad tayo sa isang ano. Yung Frozen. Pwede kang humingi ng badge dyan kapag birthday mo. Balikan natin yan mamaya. Oo, mamaya. Anak, harap dito! La! Kay Elsa. Akalain mo yun, nakarating na ako dito. Ha? Suot mo yung salamin mo. Yes, Lord, thank you.
Safety, please walk to your first destination. Thank you, and have a magical day.
Thank you. Asan na kang Frozen? Oo, ano yung paa mo? Diretso na. Enchanted Treasure. Where? Cinderella Carousel. Yun, ang layo pa pala niya. Ano yan? Pa-paint? Takbo ng takbo si girl, naiinitan. Dami nang nakasakay ng mga bata, oh. Na-enjoy na nila. Go, anak! Nasa Frozen, World of Frozen. World of Frozen. Yes. Yes. Ayun na, first ride na kagad tayo dito. Alin? Yes, meron yan mamaya. Diyan muna or dito? Ayun na, ano? Ang bilis! Frozen Ever After. Kata. Anymore. Let it go. Diyan ang entrance. Wait time, 10 minutes pa. Oh my God. Okay, diretso lang. Where is the line? Sige, takbo girl. Sige girl, takbo. Nakasalamin na pala ako, kaya pala madilim. So, first ride namin, ay, yung bag ko. First ride. Kasi sa phone mo. Andyan, gamitin mo. Dito. Bilis. Sunglasses daw. Yun. Bilisan mo ito parang pagpapos na. Paharap doon na. Ow! Wow! 'Yo, oh, diba? Ito nga yung Frozen. Bakit sa atin nakaharap yan? Ako yung reaction natin? Madilim naman eh. Wow! Nakakaiyak! Naiyak! Thank you, Lord! Hindi ko nakuha.
Mamaya kasi paglabas.
Oh! Uy! Sino? Si Ana?
Ay, hindi.
Hindi.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. But for Frozen
Oh, and now they're best friends.
indeed.
Nasusunod na ba? Oo, ito na. Bakit na yan?
Bakit na? Bye!
Eh, na, diba?
Alin? Elsa, tas Elsa? Woo! Ay! Oh! Ay! Alright!
Wala si Elsa.
Mamaya, baka sa ano.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They're born ready.
Ready! Ay! Ah! bother me anyway. Alin? Ay, nakakatakot. Ay, Diyos ko, yun na!
Kawal tayo mamaya. Ayun na.
Ay! Oh my God, ang taas! Ang taas! Grabe, taas! Ay! Oh my God! Woo! Nice one! Taas! Grabe! Nakanganga ako doon. Sa picture. Grabe! Woo! Grabe, takot ko.
Bakal na ba?
Ay! Ayan silang dalawa.
Oh, the sky will be blue, and blue eyes will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Ano ba yun yun? Sumakit na yung lalamunan ko. Ayun na, okay na. Tapos na. So ayun guys, nakatapos kami ng Frozen Ever After ni Elsa na ride. So grabe. Ang saya. Nalaglag yung puso niya. Kasi, yeah! Bibili daw ba siya? Sabi ko sa kanin. 279.
Ito 79.
Ah, 79. Hindi natin na-picturean mo yung picture natin lahat. Tara na, labas na tayo bilis. Next naman tayo. Saan makikita yung picture? Doon lang yon.
Let's go.
Haba na pila doon, oh. Bilisan mo. You should say sorry. Saan ba anak? Dito yata. Anak, picture ka dito rin. Kaya ko ba to? Oh my God. Eh. Bago sakay. Mga ano, souvenirs. Galing. Okay, sa jungle na kami. As you can see. Girl, dito girl. Alright. Ako, kahaba ng pila. Ganun pala kahaba ang pila. Ang haba na pila, oh. Okay, entrance.
祝您森林河流之旅愉快，請各位當先，有可能會去見識。歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅。請根據專輯上面唔同嘅標誌，選擇你想聽嘅導遊語言。祝大家今日喺森林
Yun lang, sobrang haba ng
玩
pila.
得開心。仲有小心啲，你哋可能會隨時整濕身嘅。
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle River Cruise. Please select your language, indicated by a
English.
sign above each of the turnstiles. Although some lines may look longer than others, the wait time is the same for each queue. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River Cruise today.
Bye-bye. We may never see them again. Okay, on the behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, yeah, I'm your skipper today. My name is Thomas. Okay, for safety, please remain seated up with your hands, arms, legs inside the boat and supervise your children. 好了，各位，請大家請坐低啦，千萬將手嘅將船內照顧台嘅小朋友啊，確保安全，請坐下來啦，照顧同行的小孩。Hand side. Yes, it's the world famous on your right hand side. But I've a family who have 4,000 miles long. But I've a shortcut. Only needs 3 days, 2 nights to finish the whole journey. If you don't want to get wet later when you meet some naughty animals, remember to say no, no, no. Okay? Okay, what's that in front of us?
Elephant.
Yes, there's a mother elephant and a baby elephant, right? So let's say hello to both of them, everyone. Hello, hello.
Hello.
And then look at your right hand side, there must be the brother elephant. What is he doing? Yes, he's taking the bath near the waterfall, right? So please don't learn from him, like he was taking a really stand up and make us like it down. But we are very lucky today. I think the daddy elephants live already. I have a new to him. I lost my way in this jungle. What's that over there? Yes, a big spider. And one of them so clear and on the side. The spider is everywhere, guys. In the middle, is that the elephant god temple? But what is next to the elephant god? Yes, it's the crowbar. So hence will be the lunch of the crocodiles, okay? Be careful, guys. Safety first now. Oh, look, over there is the campsite of the scientist. My friend on the track also run from there. Yeah. But where's the scientist? Well, the scientist turned into gorilla. What happened? Where did the scientist go? Oh no, what's the gorilla here shooting us, guys? Get that one, get that. Whoa, they're shooting my boat. Be careful, guys, get that. Oh, you shouldn't just shoot us. Okay, so be the African safari. So, what animals did you see?
Zebra,
Zebra,
elephant, giraffe.
and the elephant, right? So, do you know the difference? So be careful, guys. Something like that by bug. Oh, yeah. Seems like they forgot to brush their teeth for a long, long time. Oh, look over there is the scientist and the skipper and my friend on the string. But seems like they're in a dangerous place now. Okay, anyone want to save them, please raise up your hand. Anyone that's raise them up. Bye bye. And I hope they can survive in this future. Okay guys, we are going to the deepest side of the jungle. We will meet some friendly local later. No need to afraid those skeletons, they're just a decoration. You may have a surprise when you say hello to them. Don't be shy, everyone, they're really friendly. Hello, long time no see la, how are you doing? Hello, hi. I really don't like this surprise. Is anyone get her? If anyone get her, please tell me. I can bring you to the first aid station. Oh no, we're gonna go for here. Where are we now? Is that the Forbidden Canyon of God? We're not supposed to be here. Can we look at the front? There's no way out at the front. Can we look at the back? There's no way out at the back. Oh my God! So let's blow up the fire. So let me see. Is anybody missing? Okay, sounds like everybody is here. So let's have a big clap for you guys. Yay! Yes,
That's it.
yes, it's the baby elephant. He's coming to say goodbye to us. So let's say bye-bye to him then. Bye-bye. Okay, for safety, please remain seated up with your hands, arm, feet, and legs inside the boat. Everyone, put elbows inside the boat, please. Elbow. Hello, sorry, elbow. Hands inside the boat. Yeah, hands inside the boat.
所有人都到齊，大家都準備好啦。咁佢哋應該做咩先呢
Oh, look! Lena Bell has a great idea for a fun game.
？Lena Bell 諗到個遊戲啊，佢將朋友仔分成兩個一組。
She's showing her friends a fun pose, and she's asking them to copy and mirror it.
So, magla-lunch na kami. Dito kami pipili ng pagkain. Ayan, ang area. Okay. So, girl, pili na yung foods. Ang in-order kong food, bali, isa lang yung voucher ko. Okay, wala kang nagustuhan dyan? Check sa iba kung wala kang nagustuhan dyan. So, nakakuha na kami ng pagkain namin. Oops, be careful anak. Dito yata anak babayaran. So here. Girl, tulak girl. Toy Storyland naman ang aming next destination. Yes. This way daw, this way. Okay, that way. Okay. Ay, ganun. Go right step. Shit. Yes, girl. Let's go, girl. Antis box. Anong meron dyan sa antis box? Ah, souvenir. Alin? Anday yung parachute. Keme pa yun ha. Na-rides din yun. Oh, pila ka na.
Ano ka na?
Oo, no. No thanks. Okay lang. Sakay daw siya. Ayun o, dyan o. Eh! Oh! Grabe. Woo! Di ko kaya! Nasakay siya dyan. yan. For me, no. Ayoko, sasamahan ko lang siya. Ay, Diyos ko Lord! Hanggang dulo, Hana. Kaya mo ba yan? Ito na kaya si Hana? Wala pa? Parang wala pa siya dyan. Susunod siguro siya. Daw siya. Ba't kasi pinipilit niya pa ako sa mama? Hindi na mga ako mahilig sa mga ganyan. Takot nga ako. Ayan na naman siya. Oh. Galit niya sa akin. Ito siya kay Dog naman sasakay. Smooth lang ito. So ayan, sanamahan ko ulit si girl. Ayan. Baka mo din, girl.
Ayun lang sasakay.
Stop mo muna tapos ano. May bathhouse pa dyan. Ito ba yung Big Greasy? Saan yung Adventureland? Okay. Festival of the Lion King. Okay, dito tayo manonood ng Ooh. Alright. This way. At tayo kasi may show ng The Lion King. 2:30 ang show. So, ayan. Haba na naman ang pila. Sige lang tayo sa pagpila. Okay. We're going inside to watch the Lion King show. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. So, dito na kami sa loob ni girl. Waiting na lang kami sa pag-start ng The Lion King show. Ayan.
Lion King. Smoking, eating, or drinking is not permitted inside the theater. Flash photography and video recording with lights is not allowed during the show. Also,
Nala, Simba's childhood sweetheart. She brings strength and love to Simba.
那兩個生得又靚，食得又好。
Simba 真係有福氣啊
But who's gonna play Simba?
I'm gonna be a mighty king, so enemies beware. But I've never seen him making a peace with quite so little hair. I'm gonna be that main event, that looking what we've got. I'm running up, I'm looking down, working on my way. That's why my mother run as far as me. Oh, I just can't wait. You have a long way to go. I think it's time that you and I arrange a heart-to-heart. Please don't be that nice, but it'll be your first time.
This is where the monarchy is
This time is getting wild.
Attention! Or as quick as a wolf on its backside. But thick as you are, pay attention! My words are about to override. It's clear from your fatal thing.
All the rest of your days, it's all problem free. Philosophy, Hakuna Matata. Try it again. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Yeah, go, Peppa, go, baby! There you go! That was great! Now let's all join in the celebration! On the rest of your days, it's our problem free. Philosophy, Hakuna Matata.
So, yun na, natapos na. Ang galing, sulit. Ang ganda ng show. So, parang yun lang talagang binili namin ng ticket. Ay, yun lang. Dito na kami sa kabilang side. Di pa kami tapos sa kabila, pero anong oras na? Tomorrowland. Okay, picture girl. Hyperspace Mountain. Okay. Go, girl! Na si girl, oh. Ayun, oh. Okay, pila lang, girl. Sasakay sa hyperspace. Ay, hyperspace ba to? Tama, hyperspace. Ano naman si girl ng Ant-Man. Ay! Ano ba ito? Hindi ko alam kung ano to.
Scott, oh, what's the latest? Tony, I think we found a weak spot inside these bots. Check this out.
Ayun, nasasakyan namin. Scary. Yung takot ka, pero sumusunod ka pa rin. Lahat naman pinasukan na niya. Ano ba to? Where the future began. Hall of Legacy.
好快，呢項新科技就可以支持整個城市，甚至整個國家。今日大家會親眼見到能源發展嘅未來，係全靠呢一個不可思議嘅新發明。
史達工業創造美好明天，從今天開始。
Hall of Protection. The Hall of Protection.
Oh, sorry, dummy. A true scientific breakthrough developed personally by Tony Stark.
Disappointed si girl kasi ganito lang palang makikita sa loob. Maglalakad lang pala, hindi pa nasasakay. Ha, buti naman. Ganito lang pala dito sa Iron Man. So may binigay sila sa amin na ganito para sa ano ba itong gagawin namin? Hindi ko alam. Ayun o. So, tignan natin.
We would like you now to pay close attention to the following safety information.
When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across
Sasakay
the
kami
ramp
dyan.
into the
Sasakay, ano ba yan?
Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat.
Paharap pa daw kami. Ay, sure, oy. Yes. Other side na naman kami. Yes. It's a small world. Let's go, girl. Yes.
Ay, labas pa lang to?
Yeah. Pasok. 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 Ay. Ini-interview. Yes, papasok kami dito sa It's a Small World after all. See? Yes. Yes, it's a small world daw. Kaya hinahanap ko to. Kasi I know, chillax lang.
Ang dami nila naka-headband. Sa ibang rides wala naka-headband.
Okay, go girl. Help your mom. Okay. Kasi, naka-ano?
Itong rides yung gusto ng nanay ko. Ganitong rides pala.
Ang bebe rides. Ayun. Hanggang na.
Kasi mahawak pa siya eh.
Please watch your children.
Wanna hold it? What?
我哋每年安全着伞，請你全程保持喺座位度，將手、手臂同埋腳保持喺船裏面，同埋請你看管你嘅小朋友，多謝合作。For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you. 为了您的安全，请您在整个航程中。
Balik tayo. Pag wala akong mag-video eh.
Welcome to Middle East, sabi niya.
Alam ko man lang tayo ng buwana.
Paalam, Pilipinas. Okay, manonood na naman kami ng show. Yes, show naman. After ng mga rides. Puno na.
folks. When you board your flying car today, have a seat, maintain your lap restraint, remove your hats, and secure all your gear in the cargo.
So ayan na, sakay na naman kami sa ganyan. So sa buhay, talagang nanginginig na ang puso sa takot. Yan nga, ito tayo sa sunod. My God, Lord, help me. Sus ko, Lord. So ayan, ang time now ay 6:56 ng gabi. O yan, alas 7 na, pero maliwanag pa din. Kaya ngayon tatambay na kami at maghintay na lang kami ng Momentus. Kuha na kami ng magandang spot. Marami na nakalambay. Mag-start na yung Momentus in 30 minutes. So, let's wait.
Magical moments, shaping us into who we become and gifting us with what we leave behind. Tonight, we celebrate those moments, inspiring us to live life to the fullest and to cherish every memory.
No time will be better. She don't say a word, and she won't say a word until you kiss me, girl. Sha la 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 la, don't be scared. You got the food prepared. Go on and kiss me, girl. Sha la 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 la, don't stop now. Don't try to hide it.
Girl, lapit ka doon.
Kiss me, girl. Sha la 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 la,
Girl, lapit ka dito. Tingin dito.
I'm not fascinated. No, you can deal with me, and you'll get everything a little heart desires. Sit down and my tea. Put your mind at ease. You can relax a little easy. Anything I please. I can read your future. I can change it around. I'll look deep into your heart and soul and your wildest
Pauwi na kami. So, ayan na. Yun na nakadami yung tao ngayon. Siksikan na palabas. See? Main Street. Main Street? Okay. So, ayan na. Bye, Disneyland! Thank you for today. for today, Disneyland. So, ayun. Enjoy naman namin. Thank you, thank you. So, yun na nga. Thank you din, Disneyland. Thank you, Lord, for this day. Diba? Enjoy kami ng anak ko. So, for today, konting away lang. Ay, konting away lang. So, yun na nga. Bye, Disneyland. Ayun siya. Woo. Bye. Yan na. Kami ay magme-metro na. Ayan, ang pila. Pauwi na kami. Yes, tikman natin street foods. Binigay na? Let's try. Tikman natin ang intestine. Thank you. Oh. Isa lang, syempre baka hindi masarap.
Ito kakain talaga sa masarap.
Sobrang init, hindi ko pala kayang kainin. Ano daw to? Pork intestine ba daw? Sabi niya? Tapi masarap. Kaya lang ang hirap naman kainin. So guys, andito na kami ulit sa aming hotel at natapos na ang aming day 2 Disneyland tour. Ay! Grabing pagod naman pero sulit. Hindi mo nga pala siya kahit tapusin ng 1 day. Sana pala dapat talaga 2 days. Kung may budget dapat 2 days talaga. Pero dahil tipid hacks lang naman tayo. Tipid hacks, okay na rin yung 1 day. Pag mayaman na ako, gagawin ko yung 10 days. Bakit? O siya, bye na guys! Thank you for watching!